This is a quick tip for car campers. This guy here I picked up at either Sam's or Costco. It's a bench for a portable picnic table, a small portable picnic table. So it folds up, and I love it for car camping because it folds up, and this doubles as both a seat for a couple people, really, for a few people. It both doubles as a seat, and more importantly, what I like for it, like the most, is that you can sit down and actually do something here. It can actually work. Like you've got to like hunch over, maybe you're preparing food, or you're eating. This is it. You can actually, you know, sit on one end, work on the other. You know, lay stuff out, and I've only had it for a few trips, and it's I actually use this more for sitting now than my the chair that I bring. For that reason, it's a flat, stable platform, and you can like lean forward in it, hunch over, and you've got that stable like table to like work on, whether it's eating or whether it's preparing food, or you know, whatever it is. And let me show you how it breaks down. So I did paint it. This was originally white, and this side is so scraped up because I was traveling with it, kind of sliding around on my roof rack for 600 miles, something like that. And I might have to touch that up. First you gotta unlock it, push that guy in. So there we go. That is great. So I highly recommend this for car camping.